So hey guys, you can see here, this is our website dashboard. Now we have to install several plugins as well as Google Web Stories plugin, and we have to do basic settings about the websites. So please see this video till the end, because in this video I will show you the important settings that you have to do and the important plugins that you have to install in your website. For that you have to come on the plugin section, and then you have to come on add new. But in this website I've already installed the plugin, so you have to add your plugin with this option, but I have already installed, so I will go on installed plugin section and show you my plugins that are important for creating a web stories as well as run a website seamlessly and flawlessly. You can see here, this is our advanced editor tool which will help you to write post. This is our Akismet anti-spam which will help you to remove spammy comments, and this is classic editor which will help you to write a post in the classic format that you are using in the Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. This is contact form 7. You should have to install this plugin also. It will create contact form and you have to attach to the contact form page. If you don't know how many pages you have to create for AdSense approval and from where you can create these pages, then please comment. I will create a separate video on that also. This is header footer code manager. It will help you to paste the code and script into your theme, because if you use this plugin it have various benefits, but because if you change your theme then the code will also be deleted and then you have to again paste that code into your website. It is an instant indexing that is used to index your web stories as well as post fast, and it is Ionos Assistant, Ionos Journey, Ionos Performance. This is pre-installed plugin, came by installing a website into Ionos hosting. This is Jetpack, and most important plugin is Rank Math SEO. It will help you to do SEO and choose schema into the websites. And the very important plugin is Google Web Story. You can see here, this is Google Web Story plugin that you have to install. You don't have to install Make Stories plugin, because Make Stories plugin is free till 31st December, but after that it will be paid, and the costing of the plugin is very high per monthly. But if you have money, then you can also use Make Stories plugin. This video is for beginners, so you can try with Web Stories. And if you want to know how to create web stories in Make Stories plugin, you can watch this video. And if you are facing any error while creating a web stories in Make Stories plugin, and this is an AMP error video which you can see while facing an AMP error to solve it. And it is WordPress security. This is also important plugin, and WPS hide login. This plugin is very important. It will hide your this WP admin into your secret code which you will use later to log into your website. So these are the basic things that you have to do. For the now, if you are using Rank Math, then you have to come on Rank Math and you have to do just setups for creating your website SEO compatible. Then you have to go to setup wizard, and then you have to do these settings. Go to the advanced section and then click start wizard. After that you have to select all the things that I am showing and create the logo as well as cover photo of your website, because this image will be your logo into the web stories also and social media also, because web stories, if you place into your social media account like Facebook, Instagram, this logo will also be there. You can see that this is the ratio of your logo, and this is the minimum ratio and this is the maximum ratio. You have to create your logo under this pixels, and this is a default social share image. I have pasted this image into here and it will fetch correctly. Then you have to go to save settings and continue, and then you can see here I have to do save setting and continue, and then you have to keep remember these settings. A sitemap setting which is very important. You can take these settings and don't take into the categories, because it will duplicate your account into the Google search. Then you have to go to save and continue, and then you have to tick all these because it is related to the external links as well as internal links, that you have to make them no follow or do follow or not. Then you have to go to save settings and continue, and then set up advanced option. For that, you see here, if you have more than one member, if you have a team, if you have an agency, then you have to do these settings. And then if you have not, then please keep unchanged them, and then see these are the settings that you have to do if you are alone and working for your web story. But if you have a team, then you can select how the role that you distribute to the contributor, author, editor. You have to tick here, and then you have to click on save and continue. Then after that, you have to see 404 monitor and redirection. This is very important. If you don't know what is this, please comment below. I will create separate video on that. And if you don't know, and if you want to see the advanced rank math setting and advanced video about the rank math, then please comment below. I will definitely create this video for you because it is very important for SEO purpose, and it will also help you to rank your video into the Google search results at the top position. Then you have to click on save and continue, and after that it is a schema markup. Please see here, these are the basic settings for schema. You can change them later on also, but these are the settings that you have to do, and then click on save in setting. Please, here Google is showing blog post, you have to remain it in article section, and then you have to click on save settings. And then you can see here, these are the basic settings about the Google Web Stories and Rank Math plugin. Now we have also installed Google Stories plugin. It is a Google Web Stories plugin. If you come here and see the dashboard, explore templates, all story, add new category. I haven't created any web story here. Then we have to go on dashboard section. Now you can see here, this is the Google Web Stories dashboard, not a Make Stories plugin dashboard. These are the basic templates that you can use free of cost while creating a Google Web Stories. But we have to come on the settings section and do basic setting. Here you can place Google Analytics codes, a GA type code which you can create by Sitekit by Google. Here you can use publisher logo, so I can use publisher logo and see the preview of this. This is a logo, and then custom font. You have nothing to do here, and then you have to see monetization option. Here is, you can see none is there. I haven't approved my website by Google AdSense till now, but I will make sure that Google AdSense will give me approval after some time, because I haven't tried so many posts about, so that Google will give me a Google AdSense approval. For that you have to at least write 10 good quality posts which will help you to get Google AdSense fast. I haven't tried. I have created only 3 to 4 posts till now. Then you can see here there is none. But if you have Google AdSense account, then you have to click here Google AdSense, and then you have to write here publisher ID in this format and your slot ID. It means your Google Ads slot ID you have to paste here, and then you have to click on the save. But I haven't, so I click on none, and then the setting is save. Then if you come here and see the create new story, then you have to click on create new story. So you can see here, this is our Google Web Stories dashboard, and if you want basic intro about that, there are images, text, and it is our shapes and stickers, and this is shopping, and this is page template. Here you can get various free templates that you can use to create Google Web Stories very fast. And here you have to do add title, and here it is a publish button, and it is basic platform where you can use, and here is a basic platform which you have to use to create Google Web Stories. So this is a Google Web Stories interface. Now we have to create a Google Web Stories. So for today I will use this sample templates, but in the further video I will show you how you can create perfect Google Web Stories very fast, and how you can use this plugin to create Google Web Stories, at least 5 Google Web Stories in a single day in 2 hours. Because if you're a beginner, then you have to use this plugin again and again to learn the things where all these settings, where all these buttons are located, and how you can change the setting in separate button also. Then you have to click on the add template. It will add you the template, and then you have to click on add new page, and then you can use this, and then click add new page, and you can use this, and then you can add new page, and then you can use this. So here you can see our 9 pages is created, and it is blank page, so I can delete here, and it is a blank page, I can delete here, and it is a front page, so I can use for front page this one. And then you can see here, this is our Google Web Stories, dashboard, and this is our basic place where you have to create a Google Web Stories. So you can see here these are the 7 pages, and for that I have to delete this page because we have to make this page first page, and then here are the basic settings about the pages. Then you have to place title here, and then you have to click on publish section. In this video I completed how you can use this plugin, how you can, in this video I have shown you in this video I have shown you what are the best plugins that you have to use to create Google Web Stories. In the next video I will show you how you can create perfect Google Web Stories and how you can create Google Web Story fast. Friends, all the people are creating Google Web Stories, but you have to create Google Web Story fast, because as competitor as well as competition increases, you have to put extra efforts. For that you have to create Google Web Story fast and in the bulk. So in next video I will show you how you can create Google Web Story fast and how you can create your own template. So friends, if you find this video helpful and increased your Google Web Stories knowledge, so please keep it, share to your friends, subscribe to my channel and like this video.